Hi, I just want to quickly show you how to create a notice for the BigNoticeBoard. You notice that I'm already logged in, and so that's the first thing I have to do is log in, and then after that I just move across the top menu and go to the Create Notice link and click on that. That brings me to this page where I have several choices of the notice that I can create. And for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm just going to create a general purpose notice. So I'll go ahead and click on the general purpose link. This takes me to this page. There's a few steps to creating a notice. There's step 1, which is the notice details. Step 2, the notice description, and the final step, which is creating the notice. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in. I'm going to create a notice called BigNoticeBoard Help, and I'm going to use this notice to put videos up on how these videos, in fact, on how to use the BigNoticeBoard. So a description for the notice. Okay, because I'm going to create a notice page, I'm going to leave this as it is at its default selection, and then I move on to step 2, the notice description. From the drop down, I'm going to select Other, because I think that's the most appropriate category for this notice, and from the subcategories, Bar Children, Club, Community or Volunteer, none of those are appropriate, so I'm going to create my own. I'm going to type in BigNoticeBoard Help, and that'll do for this, and then I'm just click Create. That's brought me into my notice page editor, and you see in the top right is the notice that's been created, and then the rest are things that I can create on my notice page. Okay, and we'll deal with notice page and creating things on a notice page in another video. So for now I'm just going to go back to the notice board, and you can see in the top left position, because I've just created the notice, that's where my notice will be, in the top left. If I filter, I click on Other, see it's still there, and I can also click on BigNoticeBoard Help, and mine will be the only one. And that's all there is to creating a notice.